Similarities and differences between two ancient civilizations. Ancient civilizations have different evolutions about the history, customs, religions, and the way they live, thought. In this case, we have two wonderful civilizations, Egyptians and Phoenicians. These two civilizations have some similarities and differences in their communities. Ancient Egypt is the most interesting civilization because they have the biggest and grandest monuments in all the world history. But Phoenicians also was a create of the technique called Bram, consists in the way they make and illustrate the pictures and monuments, and also some of their paintings. On the other hand, they have some similarities, in this case, of the mummification and purification of soul. They used to mummify the most important people of their societies. This mummification is accomplished with some material rituals. However, the way they survive in the economic aspect was very similar because the location they have is the best one to arable land. In the religious aspect, they have also some similarities because they believe in gods. These gods give knowledge to pharaohs and empires. That is the most appropriate person to guide the civilization in the right way. That is the case of this civilization. Most Asian civilizations have the way of dress up quite similar because of the weather and commodity. In contrast with the similarities they have, Egyptians and Phoenicians have some difference like location. In this case of Phoenicians that live in the center of north of ancient Canaan, with its heartland along the coast region of modern and Lebanon, Syria and Israel, and also Egypt in eastern North Africa concentrate along the middle and the lowest region of the Nile River. Taking into account political aspects are also different. For example, in Phoenician, their civilization was organized by city-state, similar to Greece. Each city-state was an independent unit politically, although they could come into a conflict because domination by each other city-state, or collaborate to leagues and alliance. And Egypt's civilization was organized by the upper and the low levels. These levels are located under the pharaoh. These two forces serve each other dependent of their hierarchical level. Perhaps they also have difference in their evolution with knowledge. Egyptians include a system of mathematical quarrying, survival and construction of technique to facilitate the building of monuments and temples and obelisks, and glass technology, a practical, effective system of medicine, new forms of literature. These are the difference of Egyptians, but Phoenicians, however, have the first state level society to make extensive use of alphabet, and they cannot need. Asian civilization as the most wonderful societies is that they have some differences and similarities. However, they give to our society nowadays a different way we feel, live, and understand our environment. As a conclusion, our cultural history and all we are based in these Asian civilizations. Some of the most strange and inexplicable successes are in relation with this Asian civilization that we never are going to understand.